Okay, this is for all flags. I'd like you, Mr. Beach is going to tell you yes or no on this, but if possible, I want you to end chart 54 where chart 55 is. So basically I want you to skip chart 54 and get to chart 55 in 16 counts, and then you'll hold in chart 55 for 8 counts. Okay? Mr. Beach will tell you a yes or no, and if not, it's not a big deal. I think it will look fine either way. I just think it might be a little bit easier for you as far as routine goes. So you'll play with that, you'll figure it out. It's going to work either way. It'll look great. So it is chart 54 is 16 counts, and then 55 is 8. And like I said, ideally you'll move 16 counts to chart 54, which will actually be what chart 55 looks like, and then you'll hold 8 counts in chart 55. So you'll just be in straight lines by the end of chart 54. Okay? Now what I want everybody to do is we all just went right here, right? You're going to go rifles this and A flags. This is for you especially, because as you run, you don't have a lot of time to pause here. You're going to go straight into it. Okay? Flags, where you just do this, and this is all really slow, you'll have a second to think about it, but not long. Okay? Don't stress. But you're going to go 1 up 2, and I'm just grabbing, let's see if I can get you, yeah, we're going to be on the bottom third here. And then you're going to slide up 1, 2, 3, 4, come flat. 4 counts, okay? So it's really simple. We end here, switch this hand around, slide this hand down, and flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Now, if you are, I'll just teach it to you, and then we're going to split it up just a little bit different, okay? Now all you're going to do is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? It's really simple. So it's just, you're here, go 1 up 2, 3 down 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, I'm just kidding. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you take 8 counts. And it kind of hits, it'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. So see how I do 2 bounces each count? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Make sense? Okay, so let's try 8 counts together. We all just went around to here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, now we're going to scoop around. Come all the way across your body. Sorry about that. So we go 5 and 6 and 7 and. See how I'm pointing forward? 8 and. Okay, so let's try that together. Sorry, quick correction there. Here we go. 5. How did we get there? We're right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay? Now we're all going to scoop up. 9, 10. Sorry. 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to take 4 counts. 13, 14, 15, 16. So we're here. 9, 10, 11, 12 to slam. 13, 14, 15, 16. Slide your hand down the pole. We're going to toss. Okay, let's do 16 counts together. We're right here. 5, 6, 7. That's not right. We are right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Now for your hold 8, all we're going to do is toss. 1, 2, 3, catch 4. But when you catch, you're going to have to release this a little bit lower than you're used to, because I want you to catch it in plie. Okay? So you're used to releasing about your eyeball, right? And then it lands just right. So this time release it at about your cheekbone, so we can catch it down here. Okay? Catch on 4, hold 5, 6. You're going to pull 7, 8, and 1. You're going to lift it up and you're going to run through each other. Okay, so I will explain that. Let's do that 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. Catch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cool? Let's do 16 and 8. That's chart 54 and 55. And then I'll switch it up so some of you will be facing backfield, some of you will end up facing front field. Okay, but let's start right here and go 16 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, catch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Cool? Now listen to these numbers. Basically, if I'm you, and that's front field, if I'm on the left side of the 50, like I said, this is front field, the 50's right here. If I'm on this side of the 50, I need to be facing backfield. If I'm on the right of the 50, my right of the 50, I need to be facing front field. Okay, now pretend I'm Mr. Beach and I'm facing backfield. If you're on Mr. Beach's right, you need to be facing backfield. If you're on Mr. Beach's left, you need to be facing front field. Does that make sense? So, when you follow the leaders through each other, the group that's in line, let's see, 28, 34, 30, 33, 35, 32, 36, 31, 8, 2, 10, 6, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3, and 1. You all need to be facing you all need to be facing front field. If I didn't say your number, you need to be facing backfield. So let me show you how to get backfield. Okay, so the routine I just taught was to end facing front field. To get backfield, it's going to be the exact same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. See how I stop halfway? So now my flag's over here. I did the exact same thing, I just turned half the circle. Okay? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and run. Now I get to run this way. Does that make sense? So, if we end facing backfield, which is the girls on Mr. Beach's left, let's do that together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're flat. 5, 6, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, catch 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Or 1. Sorry. I hope that makes sense to everybody. So again, I'll give you your numbers. Front field are 28, 34, 30, 33, 35, 32, 36, 31, 8, 2, 10, 6, 4, 7, 5, 9, 3, and 1. If I did not say your number, you need to turn to backfield, so you're only going to turn halfway. Okay? Awesome.